Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x, this exponential equation where 5 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 20, or we know that a exponential rule a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. So apply this rule here. We can write 5 to the power x over 5 square is equal to 20, or 5 to the power x over, we know that 5 square, that means 5 times 5 is 25 is equal to 20, or now multiplying both sides by 25, we can write 25 times 5 to the power x over 25 is equal to 20 times 25. Now this 25 cancel out this 25, so left hand side are 5 to the power x is equal to 20 times 25. Or now taking log on both sides, we can write log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 20 times 25. We know logarithm formula. Log of a power b is equal to b times log of a, and log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. Now we can apply this two rule. We will get this x move here, so we will get x times log of 5 is equal to log of 20 plus log of 25. Okay, or now divided both sides by log of 5, we can write x times log of 5 over log of 5 is equal to log of 20 plus log of 25 over log of 5. Or now this log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get x is equal to, now we can write log of 20 over log of 5 plus log of 25 over log of 5. Or x is equal to, now we can write log of 20 can be written as 4 times 5 over log of 5 plus log of 25 can be written as log of 5 square over log of 5. Or x is equal to, now we can write log of 4 plus log of 5 over log of 5 plus this to move here, so we'll get 2 times log of 5 over log of 5. Or x is equal to, now we can write log of 4 over log of 5 plus log of 5 over log of 5 plus this log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get 2. Or x is equal to, now we can write a logarithm formula, we can write here log of 4 base 5 plus this cancel this, so here we will get 1 plus 2. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus log of 4 base 5, and it is our final answer. Now verified. Now check. Our questions is 5 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 20. 5 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 20, or 5 to the power x is equal to 3 plus log 4 base 5 minus this 2, is it equal to 20, or 5 to the power 3 minus 2 is 1 plus log of 4 base 5, is it equal to 20, or now we can write here 5 to the power 1 times 5 to the power log of 4 base 5, is it equal to 20. We know a logarithm formula, a to the power log of base a is equal to a1. Okay, so we can write here 5 to the power 1 is 5 times 4, is it equal to 20, or we know 5 times 4 is 20, so 20 is equal to 20, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here we will get the final answer is x is equal to 3 plus log of 4 base 5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.